Have you ever wondered how in the world do you jumpstart a Toyota Tacoma hybrid? Let's find out. The battery's not under the hood, it's actually under the rear driver's seat, which makes things tricky. So let's find out the easiest way to get your 4th gen Tacoma hybrid started when the battery dies. Now, Toyota designed the Tacoma hybrid differently than your standard gas Tacoma. The 12-volt battery that powers electronics and allows the truck to boot up isn't up front. It's tucked away under the driver's side rear seat. That means when it dies, you're not going to be lifting your hood and swapping cables like you would in most trucks. Instead, Toyota gives you a dedicated jumpstart terminal under the hood inside the fuse box. This is where you'll connect your positive cable. The negative or ground can go to any unpainted metal surface nearby. That way you don't have to pull up seats or wrestle with panels just to get moving again. So we got our jump starter here. The first thing you're going to do is in this relay and fuse box on the passenger side of the Toyota Tacoma. You want to pop this box open right there and just take that off. Lay it to the side, and right here, going to pop that open. You are going to place the red connector on this, and then you're going to find something negative on here for ground, and right here looks like a good spot. And you can see it turned green on our jump starter, and we can now jump start the truck. And then once you've jump started your truck, take it off in reverse order, and then you're done. Once your Tacoma hybrid is running, let it charge for a while. The hybrid system will replenish the 12-volt battery as you drive. If this happens more than once, it might be time to test or replace that battery under the rear seat. So that's it. No wrestling with seats or hidden compartments. Just use the jump terminal under the hood and you're back on the road. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and check out my full Tacoma hybrid playlist for more tips and hidden features. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco out.